Hi guys, and welcome back to the Flawless Beauty channel. If you are new here, I am Brittany, and if not, thanks for coming back. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in every week, every video. So today, let me tell you, I am sharing a purse company, which I am super excited about. And I got it right here. Isn't that nice packaging? The company is called Sinbono. And they have been featured in British Vogue. So you know they're good. They make sustainable, let's get that word out right. I was at the dentist today, just sidetrack here. I was at the dentist today getting my teeth cleaned, and I got fitted for a fluoride try to wear at night. And I feel like, they didn't numb me, but I'm getting tongue-tied over here. Anyways, Sinbono is sustainable and vegan. Let me show you. I opened my package from them, but I have not opened up the box yet. So this is kind of like an unboxing as well. But it comes in, oh my gosh. I just peeked and it's so pretty. Okay, so it comes in the dust bag, which is nice, so you can keep your purse dust free, protected. It does cinch. It's a nice fabric. So the good stuff. You guys. Isn't that? Oh my gosh. Are you looking at this right now? This is vegan leather. Oh gosh. It is like embossed. It's like, I think they call it a lizard leather. Again, it is completely vegan. No lizards were harmed. I was actually reading more about their company when they reached out to me. And you guys, they make their bags from recycled plastic bottles and fruit leather. You can't get much more sustainable than that. So I picked, I picked a crossbody bag, and I will link it below for you guys, along with a 25% off discount code. So it opens, it's like magnetic, and it's that's a nice strong magnet. There's two of them. So that, okay. And then let's see. Like I said, I haven't opened this yet. So this is a true unboxing with you guys. Comes with the strap to hook on with the gold hardware. I got it in the cream. And I was actually going back and forth. They have a really pretty green color. So if you guys decide to get a bag and you get the green one, I'm going to be like 100% jealous. Because I kept going back and forth, but I decided to go with a neutral color. I thought it would go well. I got this twisted. I thought it would go well with about everything. So I'm just going to go across like that. And it does fall at a good length right there on my hip. And opening inside, it does have, let me take that out. it does have a little pocket in there as well. And this, I'm gonna go get my purse that I'm using currently, and we're gonna see everything that we can fit inside this. It's a good size. It's small, but big. What an oxymoron, right? But it is so soft, guys. For being a vegan, take that off for a second. For being a vegan leather, it is super soft. It is going to be so easy to wipe down. Like if I was to get something on this, which I'm prone to do, unfortunately. That's me. It's going to be easy to wipe down with a damp, moist cloth and a dry one, and it will just wipe clean for you. I just can't get over the texture and how soft it is. It doesn't feel cheap by any means. I mean, this is like heavy hardware, heavy metal. The leather is absolutely, it's luscious. It truly is. It's so luscious. And the magnets are a good hold. My purse always rides shotgun when I drive, and I'm not saying I'm a bad driver or anything, but I whip, I whip my corners and my purse goes flying into the floorboard most of the time, and the contents spill out, and I don't feel like that's going to happen with this at all. And I do like the crossbody, just because I like to be free-handed while I'm out and about. But you could definitely take off the strap if you wanted to and totally use it as a clutch if you had somewhere fancy to go to. But definitely, so let me go grab, I'm gonna grab my purse. We're gonna see all that fits in here. I have my phone in my back pocket, and I have the 12 Pro Max, and it easily fits in there with plenty of room to spare. I'm gonna go grab my wallet and some other items that I keep in my purse, but there's gonna be so much room in here. Okay, so I have my bag that I use now. It's quite embarrassing. I need to clean it out. But we're gonna see all that fits in there. Like I said, my phone, always. My keys. If you're a lady, you need one of these. Stab predators. Okay, so we have our keys in there. What else? I always have a mask with me, so that goes in there. I always have chapstick. That can go in that little bag right there, or a little pouch. You got the hand sanitizer. Yes, because COVID is still there. Hand sanitizer. I got a lot of other stuff that I don't need in here, but it's in here. Some hand lotion. That's always nice because, hand sanitizer dries your hands out. So a little bit of hand cream in there to keep them soft. Now, I have a big monstrous wallet. It probably is not going to fit in here, but if I'm being honest, I would get a different one anyways because, well, that actually does match. But I would get one off of Sinbono's website. They do carry wallets and stuff, and I would get a matching one to go in here to hold my credit cards and driver's license. But you guys, if you, it's such a big difference about the weight. This Sinbono bag is going to be such a staple piece for me, even though it's ivory. That's the color they use on their website. It is it's a creamy ivory. It's not a stark white, which I think works really nicely for the fall. But yeah, make sure you guys go check them out. I always like supporting companies that are sustainable, helping our environment and our animals. I'm a huge animal lover, so I always look for that, and it's always bonus points in my book. Make sure you guys check them out, and if you do get a purse from them, let me know, because I'm really curious. And if one of you guys gets the green one, let me know, and like send me a picture over on Instagram, because I want to see it. And if you guys do shop, make sure you use our discount code, which is flawless25 for that 25% off discount. The holidays are right around the corner, so you can either treat yourself, which I say go for it, or it will make a great gift. They have so many sleek and modern, timeless designs on there. Minimalist designs, not bulky, lightweight. And I just wish you guys, this is such a good fabric. And it's going to be easy to wipe down if I get a scuff mark or anything else on it. But make sure you guys check them out. Use that coupon code. Like, share, subscribe on this video. And I will catch you later.